Hello guys and welcome to Celluloid Tales. Today we are going to be reviewing Ek Mini Katha, the Telugu film that is currently streaming on Amazon Prime. Now Ek Mini Katha belongs to a coming of the age template that has been actually pioneered by Ayushmann Khurrana. The template is as follows. Lead character with a disability, disease, profession or a situation that is a societal taboo. The character hates himself for being in that situation. He tries everything in his ability to get rid of it. All his efforts go in vain. He ends up teaching a message to the society, parents, or characters in general, and comes to a conclusion that acceptance is the only cure or solution. The lead character in this movie, Santosh, played by Santosh Shoban, is affected with micropenis syndrome. The trigger to this syndrome dates back to his school days when one of his friends gets a glimpse at Santosh's penis while peeing in the toilet and labels it as small. He tries explaining this to his father, played by Brahmaji, but gets beaten up. His mother is never free from her phone that he could even explain this to her. He has friends who watch porn with him on his father's laptop but do not know Santosh's situation. He is even kicked out from his first girlfriend's house because of this reason. After a point, his mindset naturally closes it. He doesn't allow him to talk about this in the fear of being ridiculed or rejected as a normal person in the society. At that moment, he falls in love with his soulmate and his attempts at solving this issue intensify. How he overcomes this problem forms the rest of the story. The premise is interesting, but it is the plot that lacked flesh. The plot meanders in all places in the guise of a solution hunt for his problem. He goes to a brothel, the doctor dies before performing operation, there is a Swamiji with medicinal herbs that can increase the size, a long lost friend ready to give life, a brother-in-law ready to end his life, a foolish moneylender, an old man interested in Pooja Hegde's legs, breaking the fourth wall for no reason, and a psychiatrist listening to this entire story. These kinds of stories need a dose of humor to make the message palatable. But it would also be great if the writers could have delved more into the mental agony of the character along with situational humor. That probably could have given more scope to perform as well. The first half was good. There were some really funny one-liners. My favorite one is when Brahmaji tells, Prakash Raju Rao Ramesh దిగుతాడు అనుకున్నావా వీడి ముఖానికి నేనే ఎక్కువ. It's such a brilliant line. The first half had good plot progression and a decent interval, but it is the second half that is such a big letdown. Take for instance, there is an entire subplot of medicinal leaves getting used up as biryani leaves, a love failure who wants to commit suicide at every possible instance, falling in love with a Swamiji, a friend who is a lorry owner arranges for their first night in his lorry. All these subplots and characters add neither to the story nor to the humor. That is where the movie loses its track and only comes back well in the climax. The climax is one of acceptance and honesty, and these two help him get back all that he has lost, including his wife and his confidence. I wish the second half was much better and made with more care. That's it from my end, guys. You can watch Ek Mini Katha streaming on Amazon Prime Video. That's it for the review, guys. Let us know in the comment section what you want us to review or what some other kind of content that you want us to make. Until then, keep following us, subscribe to us, and get more and more of exciting content.